In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Power BI matrix for executives along with some handy dashboard tips. Let's dive right in and get started with crafting a matrix that delivers insights efficiently and effectively. First things first, let's open Power BI. If it's your first time using Power BI, simply locate the application on your computer or download it from the official Power BI website. Once it's open, you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface that allows you to either start a new report or open an existing one. For our purposes today, we'll be starting a new report from scratch. Now let's move on to importing the data you'll need for the matrix. This step is foundational because the data you bring in will drive the insights presented in your matrix. To do this, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the application and click on Get Data. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, from Excel and SQL Server to web data and files stored in the cloud. Choose your data source, connect, and bring in the relevant dataset. Once connected, you'll see your data fields appear on the right side of the screen under the Fields pane. With our data in place, it's time to create the matrix. Head over to the Visualization tab, which you can find on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find various visualization options that Power BI offers. Look for the icon that says Matrix. It resembles a simple spreadsheet grid. Click on it, and a blank matrix visual will appear on the canvas in the center of your screen. This is where you will start to mold the data into a format that is meaningful and insightful for executives. To populate your matrix, drag and drop the fields from the Fields pane into the matrix visual. Typically, you would add your categories to the Rows section, your time-based data to the Columns section, and the values you wish to analyze to the Values section. For instance, you might place different product lines on your rows, months or quarters across your columns, and revenue figures in your values. This layout will help your matrix convey a clear and structured view of performance metrics over time. Finally, don't forget to customize your matrix to suit the needs of your audience. Executive dashboards often benefit from a sleek, professional look, so take advantage of Power BI's formatting tools. You can adjust colors, fonts, and grid lines to enhance readability and presentation. Use these tools to ensure the matrix is not only functional, but also visually appealing. And there you have it. You now know how to design a Power BI matrix tailored for executives, equipped with both structure and style to convey critical insights. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our dashboard tips to enhance your Power BI skills even further.